Hi, and welcome back to Blue's Garden. This is about my cookie day. I should say my wife and the kids' cookie day. It was really family cookie day. While it's cold and nasty outside, um, we decided to have cookie day. And here at pregame, you can see all of the costumes. It's a sort of an annual tradition that everybody ends up wearing a onesie of some kind, of some theme. This year, I believe it is Frozen. Here's a little tour around some of the ingredients. This is actually some panucci we made early this morning before everybody got here for cookie day. Sugars, corn syrup, vanilla. You'll see the white chocolate trail mix in the corner that just passed. Some sugar, granular sugar. That's for some more fudge we're making. There's also what's called Swedish kaffebolla, which is a cardamom-based bread that my wife's family loves, that I've come to love too. I mean, it's basically butter and sugar delivered via that bread. Here are all the fixings for gingerbread houses. We've got a big day on order where we're going to make a bunch of cookies, but to keep the kids entertained, we also do my nieces entertained. We also make some gingerbread cookies, houses. And my kids, even though they're young adults, they actually enjoy it too. They're both very creative, so the two girls love it too. Here we go. Decorating everybody is. This is the youngest niece. And this is my oldest daughter who works at the New England Aquarium. You can see giant ocean turtles, a lobster trap with a couple of lobsters, horseshoe crab in the corner there, some reef fish, an octopus, a seahorse, just absolutely all kinds of fun. That's my youngest daughter's house. Oh no, that is the candy cane roof. And those are for the kids made the rest of these. The two nieces made these. And there's the lobster trap and horseshoe crab. Close up, looks suspiciously like an M&M. I am very impressed with this. The turtles, the reef, the kelp out of the little mini Christmas trees. And of course, the obligatory Tucker playing with toys at Christmas time. I want to take a moment to thank you all for anybody who has subscribed, anybody who is watching the videos up until this point. Thank you all. Please like and share and subscribe. And also have a very happy, healthy, and safe holiday and New Year. Thank you very much.